Hey everyone! Today, I'm bringing you some awesome products just for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners. If you're looking to level up your ride, these products are exactly what you need. Number 3. Spigen Console Organizer Tray. The Spigen Console Organizer Tray is made from high-quality polycarbonate, giving it durability and longevity. It's designed to fit perfectly into your car's console, so installation is a breeze. Just pop it in, and within seconds, it's ready to use. This organizer has a multifunctional design. You can slide it to hide it, or pull it out for access to the lower console. It's the perfect way to make the most of your car's space while keeping your items neatly organized. The Spigen Console Organizer Tray isn't just practical, it's stylish too. With separate compartments, it's never been easier to store your essentials like keys, wallets, phones, and other small items. Just keep in mind that this product isn't compatible with the 2024 Model 3. It only fits 2017 through 2023 Model 3 and 2020 through 2024 Model Y. Number 2. Spigen Tempered Glass Screen Protector. This product is an excellent solution for protecting and enhancing your car's screen. First off, this screen protector offers top-notch durability with a 9H hardness rating, giving you outstanding protection against scratches and impacts. This feature keeps your screen safe from all types of daily use. Plus, it provides ultra clarity, preserving the original brightness of your screen. The touch sensitivity is spot on, so you can access your screen effortlessly and instantly, no lag at all. It also stands out with features like matte, anti-glare, and fingerprint resistance. The oleophobic coating helps prevent fingerprints on your screen, keeping it clean and looking great. This adds both visual and hygienic benefits. This screen protector is fully compatible with the Tesla Model 3, 2017 to 2023, and Model Y, 2020 to 2024. Its 13.82 by 9.07 by 0.5-inch size fits perfectly on these screens. Plus, the innovative auto alignment installation kit makes it super easy to apply. Number 1. Spigen Pedal Cover Kit. This product is made of rust-resistant stainless steel with rubberized grip points on top, giving you not only a stylish look, but also a safer driving experience. Installation is super simple. With Spigen's Stuttgart system, you can easily remove your existing plastic pedals and attach these covers. For quicker installation, you can use a bit of lubricant, like alcohol or water, to make mounting even easier. This product is compatible with the Tesla Model 3 2024 Refresh and Tesla Model Y. Just remember to check if your pedal is concave. Finally, with its sleek and sporty design and rubber grip points, it provides extra security while driving. Enhance both the look and comfort of your Tesla with the Spigen Pedal Cover Kit. See you in the next video, and take care.